everyone, it's Amy and I'm making this quick video to give you guys an update regarding the Handcrafter'S UV LED resin, and I want to let you guys know that this resin doesn't cure like other UV resins out there. It cures to a very nice smooth finish, very similar to 2-part epoxy resin, because if you've worked with UV resin, I'm sure you all know that compared to 2-part epoxy resin, the UV resin will give like a squeaky finish to the piece, and a lot of people use that as an advantage to burnish different pigments onto the cured surface to, a different way to color their resin. For example, I have this piece here, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like an iridescent sheen to it, and that's because I burnished some iridescent pigment powder onto the surface of the cured resin. Now with the Handcrafter UV LED resin, you won't be able to do that because, like I said, the finish is very similar to 2-part epoxy resin, where it's very smooth and not squeaky. So I'm going to demonstrate here. I have the Padico's UV LED resin and then Handcrafter'S UV LED resin, and then show you guys what I mean, because a lot of you guys are visual people. So I have some pigment here and I'm going to try to burnish. I'm going to try it first on the Padico version, but let me zoom in before I do anything else so you guys can see. Alright, so this one's the Padico. As you can see, the pigment is burnished onto the surface of the resin. Okay, now I'm going to try the Handcrafter'S version. Yeah, see, nothing is adhering to the surface. So just want to let you guys know, with the Handcrafter'S resin, you won't be able to burnish any pigments onto the surface of the resin. But I do want to mention that this resin would be good for someone who doesn't like that squeaky finish to their piece. Alright, anyway, that was the update, and I do have a coupon code for the Handcraft UV LED resin. You can save 20% off. It's in the description box. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!